people. So as you know, I'm Kim, and I'm coming to you today with a hair unboxing video. This is my very first time even ordering hair offline. I've always been kind of worried that, like, you know, I'm making an investment and my hair is going to end up going to the wrong spot, or it's not really going to be what it turns out to be. So often I've been playing it safe, and I would just go to a hair store and I would buy whatever human hair they got in stock, but often it wouldn't turn out being what I had expected it to be, because I'll be looking for something affordable as well as you know, something decent, but more often than not it hasn't been. So I finally took a little leap of faith and I ordered from a hair company online. So originally I had a horror story trying to get some hair off of AliExpress, and that's what had prevented me of doing so as well. But within that, I did find a hair company that has their own website page as well as their vendors as well for people on you know, Amazon and AliExpress. So because they had their own site, I did order 3 bundles and a closure from Unice hair. Unice. Yeah, so I got my package today, and I have been waiting all day to open this up because I wanted to do so on camera just to see, you know. So sorry, this hair a little bit loud, but I'm gonna scoot back a little bit. Hopefully I'm still in focus, because as you can see right now, my hair is not popping no more. And I wanted something that was a little bit longer than this. I mean, I probably didn't have this on for, like, I've been rocking this weave for maybe like a month by now. So yeah, I can get this open. Okay, I wanted to open it first. Open it for me. Yeah. I really gotta try kind of hard with this. Yay! Alright. So here is the box straight out of the pack. It's probably almost getting too much lighting over here, but yeah, there's this pretty little pink box with the logo on it as well. And on the back they have some hair care information as well as remark. So there's some instructions on the back of how to take care of it. And on the front it just says 100% human virgin hair. So I'm gonna open it, and inside they gave me a little pack of eyelashes and some weird, well, not weird, but you know, something foreign, I don't know what it means. But yeah, I guess that's nice. And really what I'm worried about is like the smell, because generally anytime that I've gotten human hair from like a hair store and stuff, like, it's always been some type of like smell as well. And they'll be like, oh, it's just because, you know, like, it's, you know, it shouldn't smell like, you know, really, it shouldn't be as strong, you know. So they're all individually packed, and what I had got was a 22 inch, a 20, and an 18 inch for my bundles. And then for my closure, which was to be a 3-part closure, I had got that in a 16, so I can have like a layered look. So I'm gonna open up this one, and they all were marked as well as, you know, being individually wrapped, so you know what you're getting into, and I appreciate that. And I ordered this hair on Thursday, and today is, what's today? Monday, Tuesday? No, it's Tuesday actually. So I guess it just took a while because of the weekend. Now as far as the hair itself, it does have a stench, but it's not like repulsive and strong. So I would definitely have to condition this. But the hair is very, very soft and it's pretty. And I think it's gonna be decent. So hopefully, you know, I might get some, would have been my boobs at least. Yeah. So I was looking for a little bit more length than this. This is 12 in my hair right now. So there's that. Put that one back away. So other than it being the weekend, I don't feel like it took forever for my hair to come. And luckily with the hair company site, you're able to, you know, just track your order and stuff. So, you know, yeah. So here are my other two, which are labeled as well. And then here is my closure, which is to be the 3-part closure. And they did give me the right thing. So I'm gonna open this one up. So this is how that looks. It comes in a net and they did give me the right thing. So as far as this, I do feel that I will bleach the knots so they can be a bit lighter and match. This one is suitable smelling as well. And once again, the hair is very, very cute and soft, very soft. So this pretty much concludes my whole weave unboxing video. Thanks so much for watching, and I probably will be installing this hair myself, possibly this coming weekend. So I will be sure to give you guys an update on how my hair does. And yeah, the hair is very affordable, and so far it's looking like it was worth my money. So thanks so much for watching. This is